day.
What they say to you?
Have a blessed day. They told me have a blessed day.
He said he don't get that type of treatment in New York. Y'all, so y'all need to go and see Bad Boys. Is this 2, 3, 4? Y'all need to go see Bad Boys 4. Just came from seeing it. I took my brother to the premiere, period. And it was so good. The editing, the transitions, the freaking 4K type of feel. It was so good. It was funny as hell. I feel like this is one of the best Bad Boys. I'm not even capping. Like, it's one of the best Bad Boys. It come out on June 7th. So I think that's a weekend coming up this weekend. Go get y'all some tickets because it was good. It was really good. Thank you. These are nose rings. Period. Hey guys, so this is the end of the vlog, y'all. I had to work after I got my braids done. I am doing a quick solid 8 hours for the shift. I'm doing 3 shifts before we leave for vacation. The next vlog will be us packing and getting ready to go, and maybe the first part of the vlog, depending on how long the packing video is. That'll be the part 1, and then part 2 would be probably the first 2 countries we go to. I don't know if I'm gonna break them up day by day. Maybe I should break it up day by day so it's like more content instead of trying to pack everything into one video, because I know people just be like, you know, whatever. But anyway, I gotta go because I'm already running a little late. Make sure y'all click that bell, hit that subscribe button so you can see more vlogs and things that goes on in my daily life as a nurse, a mom of 4, a college mom now, and so much more, because there's so many transitions happening, and it's just like, I can't even get mad at it. It's beautiful. It's beautiful but scary for me. But I know God. But God. You know what I'm saying? So I'll talk to y'all later.